Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 44, found on page 242 of Everyday Math Demystified, second edition. The question gives us 5 numbers and asks us which one of them is composite. Well, composite means not prime. Well, okay. What's a prime number? A prime number is a number that can only be factored into itself and 1. You can't find any other factors, that is, numbers that you multiply together to get that number, except itself and 1. The way to check a number to see whether or not it's prime, or to see whether it's prime or composite, is to start with 1, go up until you reach a number that's equal to the square root of the number in question, a number that's less than or equal to the square root, and then when you get to that number, if the only number that would go into it is 1, then you know it's prime, so you know it's not composite. Well, here we can see that if you divide 65 by 5, you're going to get 13. So 13 times 5 equals 65. That's a composite number. That is choice D. So you know that that's the answer to this question. You have to trust me on the others. You can check each and every one of them. If you really want to get thorough about it, you can just divide each one of these numbers by everything less than itself, and you're never going to get a whole number, so you know that each of these numbers is prime. You can only factor them into themselves and 1. 5 times 1 is 5. That's the only product of other numbers that you're going to get that equals 5. 17 times 1 equals 17. 37 times 1 equals 37. 73 times 1 equals 73. But you're never going to find any other numbers besides themselves and 1 that you can multiply together to get them. These are all prime. That 65 is composite, meaning that it's composed of other numbers that you can multiply together to get it, other whole numbers. So again, D is the answer here.